Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over the different types of jewelry organizers and which one is best for you. Come on, let's get started. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Rose and I am the owner of Creative For You Shop on Etsy. And so you can go there and check out all my fabulous things. But on here, I want to show you how to make these things and which items are best for you. So let's get started. Tip number 1, choose the jewelry organizer that works best for your space. This means, do you want a wall-mounted one or do you have more space on a shelf? This white jewelry organizer is one of my most popular jewelry organizers on Etsy, and I'm sure it'd be great in your home. It's very easy to make with just a frame, some wire, some hooks, and you're ready to go. It comes in a variety of colors and styles. Some are handmade, but a lot of my frames are vintage because I love reusing a good vintage frame. When making your jewelry organizer, you even have the option to not add hooks. And these are beautiful red ones here, as well as this standing one if you don't want it on the wall. It truly matters what works for your space. Tip number 2, choose your style. Are you a rustic person? Are you a modern person? Are you a more classic person? Or a mix of styles? But each jewelry organizer has its benefits. Here we have a burlap one. And usually people that like that are more of a rustic. And that's okay. Burlap is easy to install. All you need is some burlap and a hot glue gun and you're ready to go. That brings me to tip number 3. What kind of storage? Do you have stud earrings, lots of dangling earrings, bracelets, necklaces? What do you have and how many? That's important to know before tip number 4. Tip number 4, how many earrings, necklaces, and bracelets do you have? Why is that important to know? Well, if you choose a frame organizer, you need to figure about 2 inches by 2 inches for each pair of dangling earrings. Infinity backs for stud earrings will only fit in this type of wire. Otherwise, you'll need to use cork or some other solution. And there are varieties of cork. For instance, this one is on a piece of wood and it's a 1/2 inch thick. That's important to note because if you choose 1/4 inch thick, your earrings won't fit on there correctly. There's also shelves. Shelves come in a variety of different functions and styles. You can choose the scallop one in a variety of colors, or there's ones that are straight across. Some have only hooks. Like this one is made out of a vintage shelf and I installed hooks and it's gorgeous with a rustic touch. But if that's not your thing, you can go for a more modern look without that distressed look. Some shelves have cork on them, so they're great for your stud earrings, as well as your perfume, your rings, bracelets to set on the shelf. We also have cork in a frame, which is great for studs, and there's hooks below that are great for your necklaces and bracelets. Tip number 5. There's nothing better than having a jewelry organizer that's all your own, and no one has one like it. There's no better example than this crazy paint job that looks awesome and the customer loved it. I've also made glass knobs in a chevron pattern. You get more knobs for less space. I've been busy at Creative For You Shop making new orders for customers and new items to sell in my shop. And I hope you get busy too, making all your creations. Don't forget to send me a comment or a message. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.